Let us construct a parallelogram as per the given specifications. We have been given that AB is 6 centimeter and AD is 3 centimeters and angle DAB is 60 degrees. You are further asked to bisect the angle DAB and let the bisector meet DC at point P. And then you are finally expected to measure angle APB. So let us, based on that, I have drawn this rough diagram. Now let us proceed with the construction. To begin, take your scale and draw your baseline of any length. Use the scale and the compass. Mark a point A on the line and measure 6 centimeter using the compass. Mark an arc to mark out point B. This is 6 centimeter and you know that AP is 3 centimeter. So let's also do that. 3 centimeter to mark out an arc for AP. You don't know where it's going to lie, so let the arc be a little wide. Name your points, also label it with the measures. This is AB, which is 6 centimeter. You know that at A is a angle of 60 degrees. So let's make a 60-degree angle at A. Using the same radius, cut the arc with a new one. Now this specific intersection of the two arcs is the arm of the 60-degree angle. So let's draw the arm of the 60-degree angle. Join A through this intersection so as to get the arm of the 60-degree angle. It has to be as precise, okay? Let me just retry it. This is the arm of the 60-degree angle. Now let's complete the parallelogram. This of course will be point D. From D, you know that C is at a distance of 6 centimeter because the sides of the parallelogram, opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal in length. So let's again take 6 centimeter on the compass so that you can mark out the point D, C from D as a center. Somewhere along this arc lies C, and that you can know the exact point of C when you take the mark out BC. So from B, C lies a distance of 3 centimeters. Again, because of the property of parallelogram where the opposite sides are equal. So at B, Place the composite at B and mark out this arc. The intersection, or this intersection, is point C. Now join all the vertices of the parallelogram. This gives you parallelogram ABCD. Don't forget to label all the sides. We're still not done. Now they are asking us to bisect the 60-degree angle, that is angle DAB. To bisect it, we'll take this point and this point. Let me name the points. Point O and point P. And create an arc. Create two arcs. Okay, let's do that now. We'll take a wide enough radius so that we get it outside of our parallelogram to avoid confusion. Okay, this is one arm and this is from the other arm. Let's draw it. The intersection, this intersection is going to give us the bisector of angle DAB. From A, pass a ray through this intersection. As precisely as you can. It'll become perfect with practice. I'll use a different pen for this. Now this is what they say is the point P. Point P which lies on line DC. They want us to measure the angle DAPB. So draw a line from point P to point B. As precise as possible. As I said earlier, practice will make it perfect, and it will be easier done with pencil and scale rather than this app that I'm using. Join APB. They want us to find out the measure of angle APB. Let's see how much it is. Use your use your protractor, and you know that the angle, one of the arms of the angle that you're measuring must lie on the baseline of the protractor. So here PB is lying on the baseline, and it has given me a 90-degree angle. Mark it out. You don't need to write it if you are marking it with a sharp small square. Okay, so this is 90-degree angle. This completes our construction.